Welcome to the Access Manager demonstration video. This video demonstrates auto-provisioning Itsme user using custom attribute in Access Manager. In this video, we will learn what is Itsme, auto user provisioning, custom attribute for Itsme, a use case of Itsme integration, prerequisites, how to integrate Access Manager with Itsme. Itsme is a digital identity provider which provides a platform to identify a user quickly and effortlessly on a website or an application. It is Belgium's official mobile identity. Anyone over 18 years with a Belgian ID, a Belgian SIM card, and a cell phone can create a digital identity with Itsme. Auto Provision User provides you with the flexibility to create a new user if the user does not exist in LDAP. With Auto Provisioning User, you can also link the social attributes received from Itsme to the existing LDAP user. Like all social provider integrations, Itsme by default uses a standard set of attributes as defined by Access Manager to auto-provision users in the user store. In case you want to provision the user with any other attributes than the standard set, you can use the custom attribute option to achieve that. Let us consider an example of a healthcare provider. It offers a variety of services such as medical counseling, emergency services, and other premium healthcare services, and so has access to sensitive patient information. It uses Itsme as a social authentication provider integrated with Access Manager to authenticate employees with access to patient records. To understand the use case, let us access the healthcare provider's website. Say, Jeremy is an employee trying to access patient records. While trying to access the records, he is redirected to Access Manager's page, which in turn will take Jeremy to Itsme's authentication page. Jeremy needs to provide necessary identity details and consent to share his data with Access Manager. When done, Itsme will authenticate him and Access Manager will create a session. Jeremy can now view the records. Let us first see the Itsme integration requirements. You must register Access Manager as a client in Itsme. Refer to the link for more information. You must provide the JWKS URL of Access Manager and the redirect URI to Itsme. You will receive project code and service code that are equivalent to consumer key and secret in Access Manager. Let us now configure Itsme with Access Manager. Log in as an administrator. Navigate to IDP cluster, local, classes. Select new. Add a display name for the class. Select Java class as social auth class. Click Next. In the new window, click Add under Social Auth Providers. Select Itsme in the list. Server domain, grant endpoint, token endpoint, user info endpoint, and public JWK URL fields are specified with default values. Add the consumer key and consumer secret as provided by Itsme. Click OK. Choose the Identify the User Locally option to ensure that the user who authenticates using Itsme is present in the LDAP repository. If the option is not enabled, it still allows the user to perform authentication and a guest user is created. Select Auto Provision to provision the user when the incoming attribute matches with the local attribute. If attributes do not match, the user needs to perform the local user authentication. After authentication, the user attribute is mapped and added in the local user store. As our use case is to add an attribute from Itsme, we will select Other to define a custom attribute. This will enable the custom attribute option. Add the desired attribute name and choose the corresponding mapping in the local attribute. When the class is configured, create a method for Itsme with the same class. Create a contract. Refer to the links for more information. Thank you for watching the video.